Hello bachcho, I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start NCERT book English class 7th chapter 1 question answers. So let's begin. Now first question is, what did the author find in secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? Answer is, the author found a small tin box in a secret drawer. I think Mrs. Coney had put it in there. Now, second question is, who had written the letter, to whom and when? Now, answer is, the letter was written by Captain Jim Macpherson to his wife Connie. It was written at Christmas during a war between Britain and Germany in 1914. Now, third question is, why was the letter written? What was the wonderful thing that had happened? The answer is, Captain Jim Macpherson wrote the letter to his wife Connie to tell her about a wonderful thing that had happened. The wonderful thing was friendly gestures shown by the German soldiers to British soldiers. One morning during war, they enjoyed football match, meat and drink. Thus enemies became friends for some time. Now question fourth is, what jobs did Hans Wolf and Jim Macpherson have when they were not soldiers? Answer is, Hans Wolf was a musician and Jim Macpherson was a school teacher when they were not soldiers. Now question number 5 is, had Hans Wolf ever been to Dorset? Why did he say he knew it? Now, answer number 5 is, Hans Wolf had never been to Dorset, he said, so because he had learned all he knew about Dorset from school and from reading books. Question number 6 is, do you think Jim Macpherson came back from the war? How do you know this? Now, answer 6 is, I think Jim Macpherson never came back from the war. The fact that when their house caught fire, Mrs. Jim was alone in the house. Secondly, she had written on the tin box that it contains Jim's last letter. It was to be buried with her after her death. Question number 7 is, why did the author go to Bridport? The answer is, the author went there to give back Mrs. Macpherson her letter. Now question number 8 is, how old was Mrs. Macpherson now? Where was she? Now answer 8 is, Mrs. Macpherson was 101 years old. She was in Burlington House nursing home on the Dorchester Road. Question number 9 is, who did Connie Macpherson think her visitor was? Now answer is, she thought that her visitor was her husband Jim Macpherson. Now question 10 is, which sentence in the text shows that the visitor did not try to hide his identity? The answer is, the sentence is, I said I was a friend come to visit Mr. Macpherson to bring her Christmas present. Now question number 11 is, for how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Give reason for your answer. Now answer is, Connie had kept Jim's letter with her till their house got burnt. After that she shifted to nursing home, but in hurry she forgot all about the letter. Now question number 12 is, why do you think the desk had been sold and when? Now answer is, I think after the fire incident, Mrs. Connie must have sold the desk to the junk dealer. She must have sold it because it was in a bad condition. Now question number 13 is, why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? Do you agree? Now answer is, they thought so because no one is skilled in sports, wives do not become widows, children do not become orphan. I fully agree with this. Now question number 14 is, do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. The answer is, the soldiers of the two armies are alike each other. The soldiers of both armies want the war to end soon. They want peace. They wish to go home. Now question number 15 is, mention the various ways in which the British and German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas. The answer is, On the Christmas morning, the German soldiers came out of their trenches waving white flag. They were calling out from across no man's land, Happy Christmas. The British soldiers reciprocated the same to them. The German came to the no man's land with snaps and sausage. The British soldiers joined them with rum. Now, question number 16 is, what is Connie Christmas present? Why is it the best Christmas present in the world? Answer is, Connie Christmas present is the return of her husband, Jim, though he is not Jim. He is the author. The old Connie takes him for her Jim and kisses him. It is the best Christmas present in the world for her because nothing is more valuable for Connie than the life of her husband. Now, question number 17 is, do you think the title of this story is suitable for it? Can you think of any other titles? Now, answer is, the title of the story, The Best Christmas Present in the World, is quite suitable. The whole story moves around Jim and his last letter to his wife Connie. Connie has forgotten all about this letter. She was waiting for Jim to return from war by Christmas. Now she is too old to recognize anyone. The Christmas comes, and with this comes her Jim to her in the form of author. Another title of the story can be Games Resolve War.